Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is early. Well, for me it is. I'm out doing errands. I have to go to the bank, go to 2 stores because I'm going to Sam's, and I don't know if I want to go to Aldi's or not. And I'm gonna go get my car. I don't know if I'm gonna wash my car, but I know I'm definitely gonna clean it out. I might wash it at home, but I'm gonna go clean my car out because I like their high-powered vacuums, and because there's something lodged in my seat and I need it out. But I'm on my way to go get my car cleaned out right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get my car cleaned out. Actually, I'm not gonna get it cleaned up. I'm gonna clean it up myself because, honey, can't nobody clean it like how you want it unless you do it yourself. So I'm about to do that, and then I think I am gonna go to Aldi's because there is some small stuff that I want to get. It's probably just gonna be an outing of just me. I don't know if I'm gonna film when I get home. I might, but I might not today. I don't know yet, because today is one of them blah type days, but I'm trying to make it productive because it's Monday and I'm trying to get stuff done. So let's get this done. I got the car vacuumed out. I'm probably about to go to Aldi's and go and pick up the rest of my little bit of groceries and stuff. I might do a haul today. I don't know yet. But I'm debating if I want to run my car through the wash while I'm here. No, I'm already here. I'm gonna run my car through the wash. And then we'll go to Aldi's. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Free wash when you sign up for our app. Oh, is that right? Why they washes go up? What the boy? Okay, I gave in. She had a bath. Okay guys, I'm back home. I just want to do a quick haul because I have to run to my mom's house and grab my son before she leaves for work because he went to stay over for Super Bowl night. But yeah, I went to Sam's and I went to Aldi's like I was telling y'all before. I stopped at Sam's. I didn't get much from Sam's, but more of the bulky stuff is what I got from it, and then like everything else I got from Aldi's. So I always stock up on bananas. The kids love bananas, so I keep them on hand. And because we eat a lot of sandwiches here in this house. Okay. And because we eat a lot of sandwiches in here, I keep my sandwich bread stocked up on purpose. And I love getting this 2-pack. This is like the best deal ever. Another thing I got from Sam's was some pork steaks because I either grilled these or stick these in the oven. These box of juice boxes I usually get because I love that they're 100% juice and the kids absolutely love them. Even Cameron, I'll stick his straw in it and then help him drink it because of course he's still tiny and he squeezes the box, but I love getting those for him. And I keep these stocked up for me and hubby because other than water, we're always drinking Powerade. Always drinking Powerade. But yeah, I got this. As soon as I got home, I had to stick it in the fridge. But this is a rotisserie chicken enchilada dinner. It's, oh my God, I absolutely love this. It's already pre-made. All you have to do is remove the plastic. If you want to cover it with some foil, stick it in the oven. Follow directions on the tab right here. Don't rip them off. But y'all see that? $10 for this thing. Like, you can't go wrong. It fills us up. It fills me up. And my husband loves them. So this is a wonderful thing to have, especially for next week, because I don't think I'm going to be like wanting to cook anything next week. But yeah, this is one of my faves. I like this and the chicken Alfredo one that they have at Sam's. I didn't get the chicken Alfredo one this time, but hopefully I'll get it not next week, but in a few weeks. Now, from Aldi's was really quick. Like, I feel like I was in and out of there like really quick. I did get some pork chops because of course we need pork chops. I got some cilantro so the way I can make some pico de gallo and so the way it can go into my brown rice when I make our vegan burrito bowls. I make it with black beans. I got some potato pasta, some vegetable crackers, chewy bars for the kids, chocolate chip, and peanut butter. Some jambalaya mix, red beans and rice mix, brownies because I just want to bake something. Got some chips and they're on sale right now for $1. I should have grabbed more, but I didn't. Hamburger buns for future dinner. More snacks for the kids because they're snacking all day. Some blackberries. Bag of spinach. A bag of spinach for when I'm making my salads. Bell peppers for my burrito bowls and pico. Raisins for me and the kids. Some biscuits. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with those yet, but I know I'm gonna use them eventually. And some barbecue sauce. We've been out of barbecue sauce and the kids are loving the barbecue sauce with their chicken nuggets when I make it for them for lunch. And then some oatmeal iced cookies because I just absolutely love these. I actually walked past those and I was like, I need them, and I need them now. I also got me some antioxidant water. I want to say this is water, but I can't tell. But it's really good. I should have got 2 of the coconut ones, but the other one that I got was this. And I actually grabbed these from the dollar store along with the oatmeal cookies because I actually forgot something. And then I got off in the dollar store, they didn't have them, so I just picked up these because I know for a fact this one was good, but I haven't had this one yet, so I got that. But yeah, that is my quick little haul. And yeah, I have to run and go pick up baby boy from my mom's house. Yeah, hopefully they'll like these. They haven't had them before, but I mean, it's like a quick like snack, especially after nap time. And hopefully I can get in tune with these so the way when Gavin gets home from school, when he starts school in the fall, they'll have something to, you know, grab and go. But yeah, y'all can see my reflection right here. But like, yeah, I'm not too far from them. They're right here playing on this. And they're loud, so I can hear them, see them clear as day. He runs over here. He likes to play in the grass. He used to chase the squirrels every time I brought him over here. But yeah, they're clear as day. I can see them. I can hear them. Cameron's asleep, and I'm gonna let them play for a little bit before we go home and play some more. I need some of his sleep. He just passed smooth out. Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here real quick and just close out this vlog. I forgot to do it, but let me go ahead and do it now. I'm talking very low because the kids are already bathing in bed. We had a wonderful day. I was pretty busy, but I mean, it is what it is. But let me go ahead and make sure the kids are okay and go and just double check on them before I actually call it a night. And if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Can't talk tonight because mama's tired, but do me a favor, join our family and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here. And you guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.